Our new magic fountain is another example of Evergreen innovation. Each one of these pieces feature an amazing combination of water, light, and motion to create 3 different effects. You can make the water look like it's going downward, hovering in place like suspended animation, or moving upward against the pull of gravity. They include a sponge-like material in the bottom to prevent splashing. A small pump inside is powered by a built-in cord that plugs into a standard outlet, and there's a button on the back to select which effect you want. The lights are LED to make them energy efficient and long-lasting. These new fountains can be used outdoors, but we recommend that they be used in a covered area due to its electrical components. We are launching this product with 4 different designs, all made out of the same painted polystone that we've become known for. This is a patent-pending product. Not only are these designs unique to Evergreen, but so is the technology itself.